What's up, everybody? We're on a camera, locate, and sewer jet job. Here's Hubert locating out the anomaly that we see on the camera, working the general pipe cleaner Geni. There's the anomaly. So we've got water completely filling a 4-inch pipe, and we have to figure out why is it causing it, which we know it's because it goes under the road. We're going to try to jet it out and get it flowing for the customer. Uh, there's a This is a non-profit, so we're trying to keep the payments as low as possible so that they don't have a big bill. Trying to do our part as well. But as you see, the water's filled up a 4-inch pipe, a little over halfway. So here's the clean out that we'll be going in through. I'm just going to pull somebody put a little mini vent on there. Pull that off. You can see down in there. Hook the hose up, turn the water on. That sends your water over there to your jetter. There's the jetter leading in and working, spraying it out. We usually do it about 4 or 5 times with one head, and then we change up to another head, and then we do it again. That's the other head. All right, guys. See you on the next job.